Write the name of the element next to each atom. You need to use the periodic table to help you out. The first atom has 4 electrons, so the atomic number is 4. So this atom is boron. The second atom has 6 electrons, so the atomic number is 6. So this is carbon. The atom number 3 has 7 electrons, so the atomic number is 7. So this atom is nitrogen. The next atom has 8 electrons, so the atomic number is 8. So this atom is oxygen. The atom number 5 has 1 electron, so the atom is hydrogen. The atom number 6 has 4 electrons, so the atomic number is 4. So this atom is beryllium. The atom number 7 has 3 electrons, so the atomic number is 3. So this atom is lithium. The atom number 8 has 2 electrons, so this atom is helium. The atom number 9 has 10 electrons, so the atomic number is 10. So this atom is neon. Question number 2. Fill in the missing information. Before you start, you have to remember that atomic number is the number of protons or electrons, and the atomic mass or mass number is the number of protons and neutrons. The first atom is boron. It has 5 electrons, so the atomic number is 5. The atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons, so the atomic mass is 5 plus 6 is 11. The next atom is hydrogen. The number of electrons is 1, so the atomic number is 1. And the atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons, and the number of neutrons is 0 because the atomic mass is 1. And the atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons, and hydrogen has 1 proton, so the number of neutrons is 0. The next atom is helium. It has 2 electrons, and the atomic number is 2, so the atomic number is 2. The atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons, so the atomic mass is 2 plus 2 is 4. The next atom is lithium. It has 3 electrons, so the atomic number is 3. And its atomic mass is 7, so the number of neutrons is 7 minus 3 is 4. The next atom is oxygen. It has 8 electrons, so the atomic number is 8. The number of protons must equal the number of electrons, so the number of protons is 8. And we see here that atomic mass is 16, so the number of neutrons is 16 minus 8 equal to 8. The next atom is magnesium. The number of electrons is 12, so the number of electrons is 12, and the atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons equal to 12 plus 12 equal to 24. Question number 3. An element is represented by chemical symbol along with a few numbers. Based on the example on the right, fill in the numbers of protons, neutrons, and electrons for the following elements. For carbon, the number of protons equal to the atomic number, so the number of protons is 6, and the number of electrons must have equal the number of protons, so the number of electrons is 6. The number of neutrons equal to the average atomic mass or the atomic number minus the number of protons. So the number of neutrons is equal to 12 minus 6 equal to 6. For neon, the number of protons is 10. So the number of electrons is 10. And the number of neutrons equal to 20 minus 10 equal to 10. For the potassium element, the number of protons is 19, so the number of electrons is 19, and the number of neutrons equal to the average atomic mass minus the number of protons equal to 39 minus 19 equal to 20. Question number 4. Complete the table using your knowledge of the periodic table. Remember that the number of protons must equal to the number of electrons, and the atomic number must equal to the number of protons or electrons. And the number of neutrons plus the number of protons must equal the mass number. For the sodium element, because the number of protons is 11, so the number of electrons is 11 and the atomic number is 11. And because the number of neutrons is 12 and the number of protons is 11, so the mass number is 23. For the potassium element, the atomic number and the number of protons is 19 because the number of electrons is 19. And because the mass number is 39 and the number of electrons is 19, so the number of neutrons is 20. For the next element, because the number of protons is 38 the number of electrons and the atomic number must be 38. And the mass number is the number of neutrons and protons equal to 50 plus 38 equal to 88. From the periodic table, as we can see here, because the atomic number is 38, the symbol of the unknown element is strontium. For the fluorine element, because the number of electrons is 9, so the number of protons is 9 and the atomic number is 9. And the mass number is the number of neutrons and electrons equal to 10 plus 9 equal to 19. The next unknown element has 20 number of protons because the number of electrons is 20. And the number of neutrons is equal to the mass number minus the number of protons equal to 20. From the periodic table, according to the atomic number of 20, this element is calcium.